my name is Carissa Wilcox, and today I'm going to be talking about the Mars model and the recent dispute with Malaysia sending garbage and unrecyclable goods back to developed countries. So, the M in Mars, motivation. Motivation is the forces within a person that affect their direction, intensity, and persistence of their voluntary behavior. So direction, the path that someone steers their effort. Goal directed as well for motivation. Intensity, amount of effort that's allocated towards the goal. And then persistence, the length of time that the individual continues to exert their effort towards their goal. So, Malaysia is currently sending back 3,000 tons of non-recyclable waste back to these developed countries, including the US, Canada, UK, and Australia, because they don't want to be known as a dumping ground, and they need to get the message out. There's truly a global garbage problem, and much of the waste from the richer developed countries ends up in developing countries. So these developing countries are being persistent in their behavior because they need to get the problem solved, because there's growing health concerns for their citizens. They're doing this by having increased inspections to identify smuggled containers of illegal waste dumping. A stands for ability, which includes natural aptitudes and learned capabilities that are needed to complete a task to be successful. Aptitudes are natural talents that help people learn quicker and perform better. Meanwhile, learned capabilities are physical and mental skills, along with knowledge. So developing countries have truly seen that global waste and recycling is becoming a larger issue. More specifically, in already developed countries such as China banned the import of plastic waste last year. Because now that with science, it has definitely opened the eyes to see that climate change is becoming a huge issue and how all this waste is detrimentally impacting us humans and our health. S, situational factors, which are external factors that are beyond an individual's control. Performing poorly if they lack time, budget, physical work facilities, or other resources. So, paying for the garbage to be shipped back may be out of Canada and the other developed countries' budget, so they may be more reluctant to jump on board. The timeline for the container shipment may have been too soon as well, so countries were ill-prepared to have operations in order, which definitely changes a country's behavior in this action towards this environmental concern. Therefore, it can be concluded that the Mars model definitely fits into this topic of the waste and recycling problem that Malaysia is currently having troubles with other developed countries.